Several areas in Germany, August 15, 2023, where a large-scale destructive storm hit Germany at this time. Heavy thunderstorm with gusts of wind, hail, flood, and heavy rain swept across Germany in the evening and during the night. Brandenburg, Saxony, and Thuringia were particularly affected.
Zwei sind nur 50%. Es wird immer weniger nach jeder Stunde.
The German Weather Service is expecting renewed thunderstorm during the course of the day. In the free state of Thuringia, trees were uprooted and streets were flooded. The state capital in particular was affected. In Erfurt, local public transport temporarily came to an almost complete standstill. The state police headquarters received around 60 emergency calls during the storm hit, mainly because of fallen trees in various parts of Erfurt. The wind also uncovered parts of roofs, shifted outdoor objects, and damaged cars. Lighting from a thunderstorm shines in the evening sky in the east of the state of Brandenburg. The thunderstorm gusts swept through the city at up to 148 km per hour. Brandenburg and der Havel, a violent thunderstorm with squalls, has uprooted numerous trees and caused damage in Brandenburg and der Havel.